I'm Mario.
I'm Nate.
And today, we're the fucking Suorin Boys.
Yeah, fuck that shit.
Alright, wait. So Nate, what do we got on the menu for this day?
It is a Suorin Drop.
The brother to the Suorin Air.
You may recognize that device from one we previously reviewed. I enjoyed that.
Drop it like it's hot.
Alright, my broski.
Aha!
Can you think of any pros of this device?
Yeah, let me see that device a second. Check this out. Now you guys remember on the Suorin, you gotta hit it out the corner, and that's a little bit fucking retarded because you're sucking on the wrong side and you look like a retard. Can I say that?
Every once in a while,
I said
you want to make sure you fucking hit it right, and you just like...
Yeah, that's right. Now you're fucking up shit creek with that paddle. With this one, you don't have to worry about it. You can fit the whole device in your mouth, and it's not a problem, as you can see.
Alright, but give me some real pros.
Alright. So unlike the Suorin Air, where it does have the corner hit, and sometimes you mess up and you suck on the wrong side, there's only one side to suck on. So you're not going to be messing up every time you're hitting, which is real nice. Now,
Unless you're a complete dumb shit and end up fucking...
putting her in backwards, that's no fun.
Don't do that because it will break.
Mm-hmm. Now Nate, how's the battery life on that device?
It's not as good as that one, to be honest. Well, it was good when I got it, but like it seems like it's slowly deteriorating a little bit. Like it still lasts me like a good 8 hours, but like I need that 10 to 12.
I'm on that 13.
I like the hit or the draw on this a little better than this one. It's even tighter than that is, but it's like the perfect amount of tightness. Like that is a good amount of tightness. This is the perfect.
It's like the German engineering. It is tight.
It's like it looks like a little beetle, a little bug.
And dude, this thing how it feels in your hand is incredible. But this, when you hold it in your hand, you're like, shit, man.
It's
it
like
just feels. You just want to put it in your pocket. Most devices, I can't wait till I get them out of my pocket. That one, when I hit it, I'm gonna put it back in because it feels so nice.
So Mario,
Yo Nate,
what's the best price for this thing?
the best price on the internet for this vape is on
LighterUSA.com.
That's right. And if you forget that, you can always go to fucking vapeboys.com and we'll show you too.
$24.99 on there, man. I bought it for $35. I screwed up, obviously. It's $10 out of my pocket.
Thanks for watching our video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, go to fucking vapeboys.com to find the best prices on vape devices on the internet. If there is something that you want that isn't on our site, send us a link directly and we will get back to you within 1 business day.
I think I just burned my coil.
There's a link for that, dude.
I do remember a quote from a coworker of ours. He said, "That thing just looks so pretty, I just want to put it in my mouth."